Hi guys, this is Srvesh, the technical analyst, and today we are looking at what is the market for cryptocurrency and all the movement in the cryptocurrency space. So, I would like to welcome you all in the first session of our trading, and let me just quickly check if we are live. Just give me a minute. Yes, looks like we are live. I hope you're able to you are able to hear me. My mic is working fine. If you have any troubles, just let me know in the comment section. So, as you can see, today it's 27th of February, and yesterday we had taken a few positions. We had taken one trade in Bitcoin, and we had taken one trade in CKB USDT that didn't trigger. Then we had taken a trade in ICP USDT and then in Atom USDT, right? So out of which our trade in Bitcoin went in profit, and as you can see over here, I hope you are able to see. Uh, we made a profit of approximately $3,200, and we paid an commission for that to Coinbase of approximately $1,100, which is uh, too high to be very honest. I think there is some settings that I need to change for this. Okay. Yeah. So I have considered a 2% commission, uh, just to keep the entire trading paper trading scenario as realistic as possible. I am pretty sure it is not 2% in the real life. It is a lot less. But I just wanted to have a realistic idea of how we are able to do in spite of having high commission rates, because people always blame high commission rates. For not kind of making money in the markets. So we will keep it at 2%, and we'll continue with our paper trading. So let's start. Great news. Bitcoin hit 57,250 levels today itself, and it's fantastic news for all the people who are holding Bitcoin is consistently moving since last many days. As you can see over here, Bitcoin gave an entry for us on the 7th of February. Okay, and we had taken a long position in our Bybit crypto portfolio, and with a 1:3 risk reward ratio, so we made about 12% in that with the futures trade, and then we waited again, and then we took a new buy position over here, as you can see over here, and we made another 3-4% return in that. Overall, I think crypto market is still doing pretty well, and I hope that we are able to see the next resistance level in Bitcoin. And if we zoom out, let's try to figure out what will be the next resistance level for Bitcoin. So for that, we will go to a little higher time frame, which is like a 1 week time frame. And as you can see over here, let's see. Let me maximize the chart for a bit, and here it is. So the maximum level for Bitcoin was approximately at this stage, which is 68,000, around 69,000 levels, right? Around 69,000 levels, as that had achieved in the month of November 2021. So if this is the resistance, that is the highest level for Bitcoin, then at the current levels, I would say the nearest resistance has been was around 48,000, 49,000 levels, which it has broken. Then the next resistance was around 53,000 levels, again that got broken yesterday. And the next resistance level, in my opinion, will be around the 60,000 mark. So we'll just mark the 60,000 level over here, which I am assuming that if the bullish momentum continues, then we can see this mark being broken by Bitcoin in maybe another 2 to 3 days. So it's a wait and watch strategy. Let's you know, keep our hopes high, and let's hope that Bitcoin does go to that 65,000 levels. If you are able to hear me clearly, then please type yes. If not, then let me know. I'll try to change my mic settings. Let's move on. Now, as on a daily basis, we try to do some paper trading. Again, I would like to say that do not copy my trades blindly. I'm just doing this on a paper trading basis just to understand, make you understand the technical analysis and the overall picture of how we at Aventus do the trading for our clients, and how we do swing trading using technical analysis for our clients in our Bybit portfolio. If you want to do that, you can just go and subscribe to our Bybit portfolio. I have put the link in the description box below. You can open a new account and just hit the follow button on our portfolio, and all the trades that our master traders take in their account, that will be replicated in your account as well. So you can just sit back, relax, and watch your crypto portfolio grow. Okay, so it's a great way to invest in the crypto market. We are not speculators. Our job is to make sure that we are doing very calculated trading. So you can look at our portfolio performance, and you will be able to understand that our max drawdown is much lesser than most other copy trading portfolio providers. Okay, so right now in Bitcoin there is no entry as of now. So uh, we'll wait and watch for Bitcoin, but we'll try to find some entry trades in other coins as well. So let's quickly go through the latest news for Bitcoin. So this fake Satoshi case, falsified emails rocks Bitcoin trial. So there was this news about a guy who claimed to be a Satoshi Nakamoto, and this is not the first time that this has happened. But the fact is that nobody really knows who Satoshi Nakamoto is. So, of course, even this claim turned out to be fake. But yeah, people will continue to claim this unless and until the real Satoshi Nakamoto, if that person is a person. For some people, they say that they are a group, but if that person really exists, we will most probably will never know who that real person was. Okay, so the reasons behind Bitcoin surge to $57,000 is God candle coming. Okay, interesting analysis. You can go ahead and read that. Bitcoin whales are going parabolic, says crypto analyst Ali Martinez. Okay, of course they are going parabolic because since, I would say, October of last year, you can see on the chart. This is a 3-day chart, and since October of last year, essentially Bitcoin has just not stopped. It has not. It has just touched the 24 EMA once. That's on 22nd of January, but quickly pulled back up, and in about 131 days in about 131 days, Bitcoin has gone up by almost 89%, almost 90%, you can say. So that's a fantastic rally. And if our analysis goes right and Bitcoin hits 60,000 levels, then we can see that since the crossover on 19th of October, since that day, Bitcoin can double in about 140 to 142, 43 days. So approximately in 140 days, we can say that Bitcoin would had doubled if it hits the 60,000 mark. Okay, now do type in your favorite coin in the comment section below so that we can have a look at it and we can have a discussion about that. And quickly I'll start pulling out some coins, and let's do some analysis on that. Okay, so here we have Ethereum, and as you can see, Ethereum had hit the $3,000 mark on 18th of February, which was the peak of Ethereum prices after 2022 levels, and it has successfully gone above the $3,000 mark, and it is trying to sustain above that mark. And I think that this $3,000 level will act as a significant support now for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, I'm sorry, to move up. So let's take a trade based on our 1:2 risk reward ratio. If we take a trade in this, uh, let's see if we can make some decent profit out of it. So we will keep the price 2,930 or 2,950, just a little bit below the 3,000 mark, and we will keep the profit twice as of our stop loss. So we will keep the target as 3858, and we'll keep the stop loss at 2950. So let me do non-tradable symbol. Okay, cannot be traded. This crypto pair is currently not supported. Okay, okay, okay. Let me try this with some other Ethereum coin. Ethereum ETH. I'm sorry, ETH. Okay, here we have it. I think this is also not tradable. I don't know why it is not trading. Can you just let me know why this is not trading? Let me do this spot CFD of Ether. Okay, Ethereum, I don't know, is not able to. I'm not able to place the order in. I'm not able to place the order in trading view. But yeah, I mean, if we were doing actual trade in Bybit, then we can do some of the futures trade in this particular coin with $750 as risk and $1,500 as profit. So 1:2 risk reward ratio. I don't know why it is not letting me enter the trade, but that's okay. Let's look at some other trades. This is a new coin, Ace Tether. Okay, and let me just add the relative strength in this. Let me add relative strength in this. Here we go. Okay, and we will keep the base as Bitcoin. So we will keep BTC as the base for relative strength. Period will be 50. Moving average is also 10. That's fine. And I'll just make this a little bit more visible so that it is easier for you to see it. Okay, so here it is. I think we have a trade in Ace Tether. So this is a 1-day candle, and as you can see over here, let me just maximize. So as you can see over here, the blue line, which is the 24 EMA, Hello, 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 hello. So, there was some audio issue in this particular video. So, here we can see I'll just summarize once again. We have taken a trade in Ace Ether. The entire idea of taking the trade was very simple. Let me just maximize this chart of Ace Ether. Over here, you can see that the 24 EMA had crossed above the 60 EMA, and the current 1 day candle is consistently trading above both 24 as well as 60 EMA, and the low of the current candle is about 24 and 60 EMA. Along with that, we always compare the coin that we are studying with the movement of Bitcoin, which is like the benchmark for all cryptocurrencies. So in that scenario, the blue line, which shows the strength of this particular coin's momentum as compared to Bitcoin's momentum, the blue line is above the moving average of the relative strength, as you can see over here. So all the three indicators are positive, and hence we said, okay, we can take a trade for 2:1 risk reward ratio. That is, for every dollar that we are risking, we will be having a potential to make $2. So here we have taken a trade where we are risking around 5% of our capital. So we are doing paper trading on TradingView. So 5% of our capital of $100,000, which is the demo account, is around $5,000. So 5% of $1,000, $100,000. I'm sorry. So we are taking a risk of around $5,000, and in return, we are expecting a profit of around $10,000. So this is how it is. So this is the entire trade. So let's wait and watch. The trade is already in motion. As you can see, ACE USDT, we are already making about $200 odd profit in this. Yesterday, we had taken Atom USDT. This we will again reanalyze in the second live session. And in the third live session, we will again look at what opportunities the crypto market is giving us and which coins are looking interesting to take a trade. So this was it for the first live session. If you liked it and found value in this particular video, do subscribe and like and share this video. And final thoughts, we are doing all this analysis on a consistent basis, not just when we are live. We have a team of very highly experienced traders and investors and technical analysts who consistently and constantly monitor the crypto market for all opportunities that we can take, so that we can use this opportunity to trade in our portfolio. And you can just directly go in the link in the description box below and copy our trade and essentially just not have to worry about any of your you just have to not worry about doing research and all of these things. You just can continue with your work or spend time with your family and do your hobbies instead of worrying about what the crypto market is doing, because you know that your account is in safe hands, and your entire capital is going to be in your own control, in your own account. Only thing is, the trades that are taken in the master account will get replicated in the account that the accounts that have copied our portfolio. Okay, so all you have to do is just hit the copy button, and your account will start replicating all the trades that we put in our master traders account by our master traders. So you can just sit back, relax, and watch your crypto portfolio grow with Aventus Bybit copy trading portfolio. Okay, so it doesn't get better than this. So this is it for the today's session. The first session, I will see you again in the second session and the third session after 2 hours and after 4 hours. And we will again look at the current market update for cryptocurrencies, for all the currencies, and we'll find out if there is any new opportunity in this particular market. As of now, this is me, Srvesh, the technical analyst, signing off. Do subscribe and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep trading, keep investing, stay healthy, and goodbye.